Hi, I'm Haley, a nutrition educator with Foodwise. This is my son Callan and my daughter Farron, and they will be assisting me in making a black bean and corn salsa. Are you guys excited? You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Before making a snack, it's important to wash your hands. You'll want to use warm, soapy water and scrub for 20 seconds or sing the ABCs. We started by collecting all our ingredients and materials for the recipe. I like this recipe because it's low cost, satisfying, and easy to make. I was able to use a few staple items that I already had on hand in the pantry. It's also great because there's no right or wrong way to make it. Use what you and your family enjoy. My children helped decide what went in ours. We began opening the tomatoes, corn, garbanzo beans, and black beans. My children wanted to help with this step, but they are only 5 and 3, so they took turns holding the can as I used the can opener to be safe.
What are those, Mommy?
Garbanzo beans.
Beans.
Next, they dumped the black beans, corn, and garbanzo beans into the strainer. We then gave them a good rinse under cold water.
I love corn.
Even though we use low sodium items, straining and rinsing them can help to decrease the sodium level even more. While I use the sharp knife, the kids help by removing the seeds and insides of the green pepper. After chopping the pepper, avocado, and cilantro, it was time to start mixing the ingredients together. First, the can of tomatoes, then my son helped by scooping the bean and corn mixture in. Together, they dumped in the green pepper and avocado, and the cilantro and olive oil. Lastly, lime juice. My daughter was strong enough to use the citrus squeezer, and my son did a great job by hand. How does that smell?
Good.
After all the ingredients are together, give it a good stir. This is a great task for the kiddos. This recipe is a great example of eating the rainbow. This saying is about eating a variety of fruits and vegetables with different colors. Each color gives our body important vitamins and nutrients it needs that can help prevent disease. Okay guys, it's snack time. Dig in. My kids definitely enjoyed making and eating this recipe. We hope you enjoy it too. If you would like to learn more, you can find more videos on our Facebook page. Thank you.